departure time, so that's why we asked you to be there 15 minutes in the van. Welcome to Walt Disney World, folks. Yeah.
Who is it, G? Why don't you go say hi? You don't want to say hi? I don't know, he's pretty cool. Who is that up there? You don't know? Why don't you go closer to him? Go stand under him. Wow. Who is that? Pumbaa? Pretty cool. Who is it, G?
Bad guy.
Bad guys?
Yeah.
I don't know, I think you should go in there. Go ahead. You can play in there. Go for it.
Look at me.
Go ahead.
No.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Mama, sit right here.
G, look up. We'll do it again, don't you worry. Wow. Who is that up there? Oh, it's Scar. Scary. Do 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 do. Wow, see the fish?
Daddy,
Yes.
look bad guy.
Whoa, is that treasure?
Yeah.
Gonna get some treasure? Wow. Oh boy. Look at that. You got some?
No.
No?
Hey.
Alright, next time. Yeah.
Look him.
What is it?
I know.
You don't know?
No.
Whoa. That's cool.
I don't care. Daddy probably cares.
The pool.
Nice room, but it's missing a bed.
Let's hear your pool.
I mean, I'm not opposed to it.
Wanna go in the pool?
The pool.
We're gonna go to the water park.
No.
We'll go in this pool, don't worry. You wanna go in that pool?
Sure. For the pool, you, Daddy.
Who's that, Chief? Over there.
Yeah.
Look,
Mommy.
little mermaid.
Yeah.
Why don't you go say hi?
No, the pool.
Come on, man.
The pool.
View from the room, Skyliners, and a little bit of the pool. What do you think, kid?
No, Dad.
No good?
There we go.
There we go. That's better. 2 beds
No.
for our own family. That's us. Hi, little girl.
Daddy.
Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Hi. Hi. Cat. Oh, what's that? Oh no! Get out of there. Got a smile? You a smile? That's a Disney World smile? Yeah. Good girl. Yeah, you're a happy girl, huh? You're happy to be in Disney? Woohoo! Where are we?
Disney World!
Woohoo!
And my baby Disney World!
Oh yeah. Nice. The old ironing board is storage trick. Gee, where are we going? Pool?
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to a pool. It's kind of like a pool. Going to a water park.
At the robot.
Nice. Give me those sunglasses, man.
For me.
Come here, let me see the shades. Out like a light. Sorry, little girl. We're gonna have to wake you up in about 2 minutes when we get on the bus.
At the robot.
Going to the water park?
Yeah.
Nice. She is. Wow. Look at her go. Very nice. You alright, kid? Where you going, kid? Theo, did you see Olaf?
Okay, it's like a bell.
Hi, cutie pie. Nice one.
I want to dance.
Hola! Go under it. Come on. Look, G. Go behind it. Gio. Go behind it. Come on. Go behind it. Come on. Go, go, go. Behind it. Go. Walk.
Cái này ăn không nghe đồng tâm.
G. Watch out, dude. There's waves. Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
No, fine.
Listen, there's waves in this ocean, all right? Let's go. It's getting deeper. Whoa. Here we go. Whoa. There's some big waves here. There's waves. Whoa. Whoa. What? Look, there's a waterfall. Wanna go by the waterfall?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's getting deeper over here. I don't think I can go by the waterfall. Whoa. 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 Ready? You don't want to go this far? You want to go farther? Alright, let's go. Whoa. Uh-oh. Wow, wow. Hey, my friend. Hey, make sure we stay away from the wall, please. Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
How's that?
Yeah, do.
What do you think?
Delicious.
Great. Go ahead. Go in. What's wrong? Hop in there. Good, you pressed it. Good job. Now hop in. Come on. Look at me. Over here. Get in. Rain mode activated. Gee, nice and dry? Nice, dude. Well, you better thank Mommy. rain. How you doing in there, kid? You good? Cool. Nice. Thanks, Mom. Yep. Are you the cutest little cutie pie? How cute do you look tonight? Wow, look at you. A cute little girl. That's not cute, G. Hey G, ready for dinner? Nice. Turtle's right there. Another one. That's a big boy.
Look, dude.
A little late to the salad party, whoops. We got some sides going, we got a little beef and chicken and pork and fish. Do it.
Ducky stickers.
Something good, dude, come on.
A coin? That's it, alright. You guys have a great one.
Thank you.
Good.
Let's see what you got. Wow.
Is that a pirate's treasure?
Yeah.
Oh, the sand castle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not our pool, baby. Maybe one we could stay here. Okay. Yeah, we could stay here when Uncle Dave runs us his DVC points. Are you dancing?
Gio, dance. Come here. Psst. Dance, boy. I don't want to dance.
Let's close out, baby.
Hey,
Hi.
how was dinner?
Dirt.
How do you like the Skyliner?
Dirt.
She sees herself. You see yourself.
Bye. Hey. Jenna. Smile. Good girl.
You gotta back it up.